Hey guys, this is Jeff from the Stream Machines. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hey, I have a question, but an introduction at the same time. Have you ever tried to sideload a utility player or maybe on your Fire Stick or Android TV box like me? You know the drill, what we always have to go through. Maybe we have to download it to our phone, upload it to a cloud drive, download an app on the TV or the box so we can fetch it. It becomes a big mess. So think of this app as an instant wireless bridge, like an airdrop. The ATV store is going to take over and introduce all of us to the ease of use that it should replace Unlinked and even Downloader. So let's take a look. All right, guys, I am back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am currently on the atvstore.app website, and I have been blessed enough to do a 3-part series on the differences between this store versus Unlinked, and even show you how it's easily one of the best things I have used in a short period of time, and I am excited to share this information. So before I get into the website here, who is this for? So this is for Android TV and Fire Stick users. It's for streaming device owners. Maybe you're a reseller of different devices or legal streaming services, whatever you do, or maybe you're just a consumer. 9 times out of 10, you're going to run into a problem trying to fetch an application or something or a logo, whatever it might be, from a library that you found on Google or whatever it might be. The ATV store is a seamless cloud version and a better version than Unlinked. So this ATV store makes it easy to not only install and manage your Android TV apps on Fire Stick, Android TV devices, Google TV devices, because they give you a passcode to share. It's really, really powerful. So how does it work? Number 1, create an account. It's free to create an account. You sign up in seconds and your workspace is ready immediately. You're going to get a 6-digit a number that it's going to be explained in the next video what you can do with that number to share with your audience. Number 2, you're going to register the files or the APKs. You're going to point each app at the URL where the host is the binary. So they never store these files. There's nothing stored. They just pass the downloaded URL to the companion application. Really, really seamless. You're going to see that in the next video. Number 3, your users, your friends, your audience, they install. So they open the ATV store, the companion app, on an Android box, on a Fire Stick, on a Fire TV, NVIDIA, whatever it might be. And they will use that code or that pin that you have. And that way it's one click, install, and you're done. So some of the features, they give you custom categories, auto updates, one-click install, update alerts. So you're going to be notified from start to finish. Now, here's what your users are going to see. In the ATV store, which I'll show you as well, the companion app is built like with a large view. You see what I'm saying? So look, and what I mean is if you look at these pictures, everything is clean. All the categories are clean. There's no clutter. It is a really great user interface. All right. So what you control, it's a clean, focused workspace. If you can look, you got your dashboards, your apps, your categories, your settings, and your profile. You'll see the App Store pin right there. You're going to see the 898541. That's an example. And you can see some of the applications that they have here, whether it be NordVPN or Surfshark APK, whatever it might be. You can drag and drop all the categories and even register this APK by, they never store any of the information. So you're definitely just using the companion app as a conduit. What I really like about it is the categories. As you can see, some of the categories that they named there's 3 apps on live TV, there's 2 apps in their utility, and 2 VPN and privacy apps. Okay? So some of the settings are all right there. They're going to show you all the pin or whatever it might be so you can begin to experience. Now, since we're here, let me go ahead and open up mine. Okay, right here so you can see it for yourself. I'm going to log in and blot that out. So you can see that I am a diamond tier. And in my next video, I'm going to break down what it means on the tiered support, what they offer. So you can see right now that I have the pins and whatnot, and I got my code. You see I have 13 apps, and so far I have 14 downloads from friends, family, whoever I shared it with, and they've been able to put it on their TVs, their actual TVs. They've been able to put it on any streaming device, any phone, for ease of use. So the bottom line is, mine is called the Lighthouse. You can name it whatever you like. So in my next video, what I'm going to do is not only break down the pins, the categories, and all of that, but I'm going to give you a free view on how we put it on an easy Android device. As I go to categories, you will see here my categories. You got utilities, I got my on-demand streaming, and my sports. Okay, it's very easy to get the APK. You're going to be able to download it directly if you become a free member. Download it directly to your device, and they even give you a downloader code. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I set this up and how it runs very well in the test. But I am falling in love. Remember this, the atvstore.app. Go there. I'll put the link. They're waiting on you. So if you already have a customers, an audience, maybe you sell media devices, maybe you resell other things, services, whatever they might be. I'm a reseller for Philo. I use this exclusively for the last 2 weeks, and it has been one of the easiest transitions that you're going to see. So I'm going to link everything for you to at least go check out the website, sign up for free. They're waiting on you. And in my next video tomorrow, we're going to take a look under the hood and how it can help you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.